Why does your scanner show the P0036 engine code? What does it mean? P0036 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2S, Heater Control Circuit Bank 1, Sensor 2. This engine code indicates that the problem with the heater circuit of the oxygen sensor located after the catalytic converter on the engine bank containing cylinder number 1. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty HO2S sensor, wiring issues, exhaust system ground issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet and Kia Sorento models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.